everyone, this is Brenda Meller, and today's LinkedIn tip is focusing on simplifying your LinkedIn URL. So what you're going to do is start at your LinkedIn homepage, and you can go through the Me icon over here and then go ahead and click on View Profile. And this is going to take us to a page where in a second here you're going to see on the right hand side you have the opportunity to click on Edit Public Profile and URL. Now, if you're just getting started on LinkedIn, LinkedIn is going to set up a URL for you, and it will be some variation of your name. So yours might look like linkedin.com/pub/BrendaZXQ34Y Meller1234, or some gobbledygook code, which is really hard to understand. It's difficult to type in if you're trying to kind of key it off of a business card or a flyer or marketing collateral. So what I always recommend is that you go in and simplify this URL. And the way you do that is you go ahead and click on the pencil icon, and you'll see here that LinkedIn is now going to only let you modify after that last slash. And here's where you can go in and you can remove the dashes that might appear between your first and your last name, and any of that gobbledygook numbers and letters that really don't make a whole lot of sense at the end. Now, I always recommend making it as simple as possible. If you can, like I've done here, Brenda Meller, I've just put my first and last name all together. Lowercase is perfectly fine. If you are a Bob Smith or something very common, you might need to use a middle initial or some word at the end, Bob Smith MI for Michigan, or Bob Smith Design if you work in that design industry, something along those lines. At any rate, try to make it as simple as possible. Eliminate those dashes, eliminate the gobbledygook of those nonsense numbers and characters. Then when you're done with that, go ahead and click on Save. If no one else is using that name, then you're all set, and this is now your simplified URL. Again, this is Brenda Meller. This is today's LinkedIn tip. Find me online, and we'll be sharing more information in the future.